What's up, beautiful people? In this video I will be unboxing a new growing system, which is hydroponics. I'm so excited. I told y'all the month of May is going to be fabtabulous and it just keeps getting better. So let's get to it. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people? It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am here for an unboxing video, which I'm also excited about. I have my box right here, the box, in which the next growing method will be unboxed, to say the least. But nonetheless, hydroponics is another way in which I will be introducing a growing method to you all. Last year we did aeroponics. This year is hydroponics, and I have the help of some great people that's gonna help make this happen. So make sure you stay tuned. I'll put links down below and all that good stuff. But without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. First things first, let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open. Which, man, it's kind of sharp. I don't want to go too deep in my cutting situation. And I honestly have never seen a white box from Amazon, so this is already cool in itself, I must say. Go ahead and flip this over. Don't worry, no addresses are there. I definitely made sure of that this time. Previous unboxing videos, I did not have the same, attention to detail. Nonetheless, nice packaging. I do want to just say that. Everything looks definitely safe. And so let's go ahead and just little shimmy, shimmy, sham, sham this bad boy out. And wow, everything is right here. Nothing left, nothing extra in the system. So we're just gonna take this here foam off. I might have it upside down. Oh, glad I did that. Boom, here's a bracket necessary. Take that off. Take this off. Good old Amazon packaging. Very, very nice and snug. I'm gonna go ahead and just give this a nice little rip open. Of course, and there we have, ladies and gentlemen, the manual, the Spider Farm user manual for the hydroponics growing system. Alright, so further taking all this, give an initial look-see, nothing in the baggie. Let that go. But giving this an initial look over, everything looks nice and right. Oh man, this is pretty cool. Oh, I'm so excited about this bad boy, to say the least. Oh, that's cool. I did not expect all of this to come within the packaging itself, but we have some happy gardening seeds are not included. No worries. I have the seeds, but this is what you can grow the seeds in when you're using this here system. But then also within there, we have other things such as your cup, which is necessary, which I love the messaging, man. Messaging goes a long way. Happy gardening. I appreciate you, Spider Farm. And so here is the power adapter that is going to be used to make sure everything flows and goes the way it needs to. Okay? And then we have something right here. I honestly don't know what that is off of initial inspection. But obviously this is where the water would go. I'm gonna go ahead and put this here back, right? And then even if I was to try to give it a little setup, I don't know how this goes, but we'll see. We'll try it out together. Boom, something like that. But then one of the most important pieces of this here hydroponic system is the lighting, okay? Which gives you the ability to grow indoors or in a garage if that's what you do, kind of like me. This gives you the ability to do so without the necessity of being outside. And so, man, look at this lighting system. My goodness. So we're just gonna put this here right on top like so. Yep, that makes sense. And then this part is even adjustable. That's pretty cool. As your vegetables grow, as your plants grow, so does your lighting need to expand and increase when you're starting off and grow as the plants themselves grow. But even looking through, installation is fast and easy. I mean, I've already installed it, truth be told. But the 4 steps is you want to take it out, boom, boom, put that in there, boom, put it on there, and then the power goes in the back. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have a connected system. Doesn't get easier than that. So I shouts out to you, Spider Farm, for making it nice and easy. And then from there you have the power. Let me show you all the different functions that you're able to do before I give you the idea of what these different things are here. All right, great people. So we have the power, of course, which, hey, you can put it on there and have it on, leave it on type deal. But then your timer, you have various settings if you want it 4 hours all the way up to 16 hours, depending on what it is that you are growing. And also vegetables, right? You can switch the light to vegetable mode, which is pretty cool, right? And so it gives you different dim scales from 10% all the way to 100%. So you get to pick based off of your vegetable needs. And then if you're growing either flowers or fruit, it lets you know as well. Boom, that's another way of doing it. And then it lets you know too that the water pump works every 30 minutes and stops after 30 minutes. So within that hour period, it's on and it's off, half and half, right? And then the water flow can be adjusted as well. So hey, grow it as you need to grow it. All right, so with this being a new system in which we are introducing to the channel, some of you may or may not know how hydroponics work, but very simply put, hydroponics is a way to grow foods, vegetables, and fruits and things like that using water, okay? And so the water is resting in here, in this area down here, this water well. And so you put water and nutrients there. Now, with this system, I love it because you can add the water without having to move the tray, and you add it just right here. And so the way to do it, like aeroponics, you use cups. But here with this hydroponic system, they give you the cups, which is also vitally necessary because it's kind of tedious to try to find the ones that fits the various holes and things like that. But with you them giving you what is already needed, you're good to go. And then it gives you the scenario here that you're able to put the seed in and be able to grow like that. So I will say you do need to use liquid nutrients so that you can grow your foods and things like that in here, which of course I'm gonna bring you along that journey. And so hey, hydroponics made easy is done thanks to Spider Farm. So if you want to get it, definitely look in the links below. No matter where you are, there is a Spider Farm hydroponic system that can get to you, and then you know you'll be able to go from there. The lighting is going to be fantabulous. Make sure you all look out for these growing videos because I'm also excited about it, and we'll be happy gardening just as they recommend on the here package. Boom! All right, great people. So I didn't want to do too much because some people do just love to see unboxing videos to know what they can expect when receiving a specific product. However, if you do want to know how to grow, if you do want to see the progress of growth in this here system, definitely click that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you are notified when those videos do come your way. Okay, great people. So until then, happy gardening, happy living. And here's a hydroponic system that I believe is easy enough for anybody to buy and use, okay? And so you don't have to figure out anything. Everything is in the box, excluding the seeds. But hey, it gives you the option to grow what you please. So with that being said, I love you all. I appreciate you all. See you on the next video.